How to check recent downloads on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Files application on your phone. The iPhone Files app, a built-in iOS application, serves as a central hub for managing files on your device and in cloud storage. It allows users to view, organize, and share files from various locations, including local storage, iCloud Drive, and third-party cloud services like Dropbox and Google Drive. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Browse. You can view all your folders over here. Go to the Favorites section and tap on Downloads. Over here, you can view all the downloaded files on your phone. Open any file to view it. Everything that you save to your phone will be saved to this folder automatically. Following these steps, you can easily check recent downloads on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.